An official from the International Committee of the Red Cross has said the U.S.-initiated sanctions imposed on the Taliban-run establishment in Afghanistan have undermined vital humanitarian aid supplied to the war-torn country.
For the moment, we are continuing to operate. I think one of the important challenges is indeed that the sanctions that have been imposed, for example, the banking sector, and so that makes operations more difficult also for us. What is key is that in such sanction regimes there are humanitarian exemptions which allow humanitarian organizations such as the International Committee of the Red Cross to operate and to be able to reach people in need.
The ICRC official described the humanitarian situation as very dire in Afghanistan, saying more than half of the country's population is in need of humanitarian aid. Earlier, aid agencies warned that more than 22 million out of 35 million population of Afghanistan are facing acute food insecurity, warning the country will face catastrophe if necessary assistance is not sent ahead of winter.